We'll guide you through how to use Gmail efficiently on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to mail.google.com. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll be taken directly to your inbox. Otherwise, you need to enter your email address and password to log in. Once you're in your inbox, you'll see your emails listed here with the most recent ones at the top. To read an email, simply click on it, and it will open in a full window. To compose a new email, look for the Compose button, usually located on the top left side. Clicking on it will open a new message window where you can enter the recipient's email address in the To field, write your subject in the subject box, and type your message in the main body area. If you want to attach files, look for the paperclip icon near the bottom of the Compose window, which lets you upload attachments from your computer. Once you're ready to send the email, click the Send button at the bottom. If you need to organize your emails, Gmail offers labels, which work like folders. You can create a new label by clicking on More in the left sidebar, then Create New Label. Give it a name, and you can drag your emails into these labels for better organization. You also have the option to search your emails using the search bar at the top. You can type keywords, sender names, or subjects to quickly find specific emails. To manage your settings, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. Here, you can customize various aspects like your signature, vacation responder, and inbox layout. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.